Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notification Center. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from. I will go with Messages. As you can see, all notifications from Messages are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just click on one of your apps instead over here and manage all notifications by choosing this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!